What's up, bunch of savages? I'm here in downtown Dallas at this sculpture here. There's this cattle drive sculpture, which is really cool. There's a squirrel right there in the tree eyeballing me, looking right at me like, hey man, you got any nuts? Hey squirrel, don't be funny. Here's the outside of it. Here, the sculpture thing here. And there's the other parts of Dallas, the Omni Hotel there. This K. Bailey, what is it, like convention center there. And let's take a look at this cool sculpture. It's raining on me just a bit. There's a rabbit. It's like a wildlife. My battery died and the rabbit ran away. Where are you at, rabbit? I know you're hiding in there somewhere. Let's get around and have a look. Oh my gosh, I never knew this. I looked at this and I thought it looks like old headstones or something, and I was like, nah, who knows what that is. It is sheared, like flat, like it could have been some kind of a sign or headstone. And then I look over here. I never knew this was here in the middle of downtown Dallas. It's graveyard, cemetery. Let's check out some of the dates and see how old they are. This looks very old here. 1877. 29 years old. This one looks fairly old as well. Born 1876. Died 2 years later. I'm thinking I should have brought my umbrella. I may go to the car and get it. Stepping in mud. Can't read that at all. I'm slipping in mud. Great. Oh, bull. Going across the stream. This might be the funny part. I'm going to attempt to go across these rocks. Let's see if my big stuff falls in the water. Nope. I made it. I made it, dudes, and y'all said I couldn't do it. We got a brand. I guess that's the Dallas D brand there. There's a nice little bit of water here on this side. The buildings. You can see the D brand on this one a little bit better. There's some brand as well there. I think there's something here, maybe telling about it, but you cannot make it out at all. Definitely writing on there, but you can't make it out. From the front of it, goes around all the way up there. Oh, there's one of them they've got corralled. And then in here in the stream, got some weed here with waterfall and another waterfall. It looks like some ducks in here. They've got their own little sanctuary here. Hey ducks, y'all got it made. Alright, I think I'm going to attempt to cross here. So far so good. Look at me. Here's all the duckies. Hey ducks. Whoa, there's a lot of them. Lots of ducks. the dragonfly. I could hop up here and have a walk across that if I wanted to be crazy. Can I do it? Ooh, I did it. I'll have you know. That would have hurt if I'd have fallen in there. So this is the very back of the cattle drive here. There's a dude up there with a bird on his head checking it all out. He got guns and everything. There's some more stuff written here, but you can't make it out. And this is why the Wild West was so clean back then, because while they're on cattle drives out in the middle of nowhere, they had places to put their garbage. So if you're in Dallas and you want to check this out, it's in the Convention Center District of downtown Dallas, and it's called Pioneer Plaza. There you go. I hope you liked our loveliest sculpture. Man, I am certainly going to fall. Oh my God. Whoa, hey, all right. Yeah, this is going to get interesting. Oh, give me my umbrella. Well, if you like the sculpture, give me a like, like a thumbs up. Comment and say, hey man, that sculpture is pretty good. I will see y'all later with something else. And y'all have a good one. Stay savage.
Thanks for watching Savage Mr.
Like, subscribe, and share, and send money.